Anna was a quiet girl who loved books and soft music. She lived in a small town where everyone knew each other. One sunny morning, she went to the train station to buy a ticket for her mother. She stood in line and looked around. That was the moment she saw him. His name was Leo. He was tall with kind eyes and a shy smile. He dropped his wallet on the floor. Anna picked it up and touched his hand when she gave it back. Both of them felt something warm in their hearts. They smiled, but they did not speak much. That small moment changed their lives. Later that day, Leo saw Anna again at a small cafe near the station. He was nervous, but he walked to her table. He asked if he could sit. Anna said yes. They talked about simple things, books, movies, and their dreams. Time moved fast when they were together. When they said goodbye, Leo felt sad, and Anna felt the same. They both knew this was not a normal meeting. The next days, they met again and again. They walked in the park and shared ice cream. Sometimes they did not talk. They just walked side by side. Leo held Anna's hand for the first time under a big tree. Her hand was warm. She felt safe. She smiled and did not pull away. Weeks passed, and their feelings grew stronger. One evening, they sat near the river. The sky was pink and orange. Leo looked at Anna and told her he liked her. His voice was soft. Anna felt her heart beat fast. She said she liked him too. Leo moved closer. He gently touched her face. They shared a small, sweet kiss. It was slow and careful. Both of them felt happy and scared at the same time. They became a couple. Life felt brighter. They sent messages every morning and night. Leo waited for Anna after school. Anna cooked simple food for Leo when he was tired. They hugged often. When Anna was sad, Leo listened. When Leo was worried, Anna held his hand. Love felt easy. But life is not always easy. Leo got a chance to study in a far city. It was a big dream for him, but it was far from Anna. At first, they said distance did not matter. They promised to stay together. But days became busy. Messages became short. Calls became rare. Small problems became big fights. One night, they argued on the phone. Anna cried. Leo was tired and angry. Words hurt them both. Leo said he needed space. Anna felt her heart break. They stopped talking. Days turned into weeks. Anna felt empty. She still walked in the park, but it felt cold. Leo felt lonely in the big city. He missed Anna's smile and her quiet voice. But pride stopped him from calling her. Months passed. One rainy afternoon, Anna went to the train station again. She was older now, stronger but still gentle. She heard a voice say her name. She turned around. It was Leo. They stood there silent. The rain fell between them. Leo walked closer. He said he was sorry. Anna's eyes filled with tears. She said she missed him every day. Leo reached out and held her hands. They felt warm again, just like the first time. They talked for a long time. They spoke honestly. They understood their mistakes. Love had not died. It was just quiet. Leo gently pulled Anna into a hug. She rested her head on his chest. He kissed her forehead softly. This time, the kiss was calm and full of hope. They decided to try again, slowly and carefully. This time, they chose patience, trust, and kindness. Anna and Leo walked out of the station together. The rain stopped, and the sky slowly became clear. They did not rush. They walked slowly, like they were learning each other again. That evening, they sat in a small cafe, the same one where they talked for the first time. Everything felt familiar, but also new. Leo told Anna about his life in the city. He talked about his studies, his small room, and the nights when he felt alone. Anna listened quietly. Then Anna spoke about her life, her work, and the days when she missed him but tried to be strong. They did not promise big things. They only promised to be honest. In the following weeks, they met often. Sometimes Leo came to Anna's town. Sometimes Anna visited the city. They enjoyed simple moments. They cooked together, laughed at small jokes, and walked hand in hand through busy streets. When the world felt loud, they stayed close to each other. One evening, they stood on a bridge and watched the lights on the water. The air was cool. Leo gently put his arm around Anna. She leaned into him. He kissed her softly, slow and careful, full of care and respect. Anna smiled and closed her eyes. This kiss felt deeper than before. It was not rushed. It was full of understanding. There were still problems sometimes. They were different people now. But this time, they talked instead of running away. When Anna felt sad, she said it. When Leo felt stressed, he shared it. Love was not perfect, but it was real. 1 year later, Leo finished his studies. He returned to the town for good. Anna waited for him at the station, just like before. When he stepped off the train, they looked at each other and laughed. Leo opened his arms. Anna ran to him. They hugged tightly, not wanting to let go. Life became calm and warm. They built small dreams together. A home with music and books. Quiet mornings and soft nights. Sometimes they held hands in silence. Sometimes they kissed and smiled for no reason. Years moved forward quietly, like a soft river. Anna and Leo grew together, step by step. They learned how to share space, time, and feelings. Some days were bright and full of laughter. Other days were slow and heavy. But they stayed. Every morning, Leo made tea for Anna before work. Anna smiled and fixed his collar before he left. These small things became their language of love. At night, they talked about their day. Sometimes they were tired and said little. Sometimes they talked for hours. Leo liked to hold Anna's hand while listening. Anna liked to rest her head on his shoulder. On weekends, they returned to the park where they first held hands. The big tree was still there. Anna touched its rough bark and smiled. Leo stood behind her and gently placed his hands around her waist. It was a quiet touch full of care. Anna leaned back into him. They stayed like that, feeling safe. One evening, Leo surprised Anna with a small trip to the river. The sky was full of stars. The water moved slowly and reflected the light. They sat close on a blanket. Leo looked at Anna and thanked her for coming back into his life. Anna felt tears in her eyes. She touched his face softly. They shared a long, gentle kiss, warm and full of love. Life still tested them. Anna lost her job one winter. She felt scared and weak. Leo stayed close. He listened to her fears and held her when she cried. Later, when Leo felt lost about his future, Anna supported him. She believed in him when he did not believe in himself. One spring morning, Leo asked Anna to walk with him to the train station. Anna laughed and said yes. When they arrived, Leo stopped at the same place where they met years ago. He took a deep breath. He held Anna's hands and told her he wanted to spend his life with her. Anna did not answer with words at first. She smiled, cried, and hugged him tightly. Then she said yes. Their life after that was not a fairy tale, but it was true and strong. They faced days together. They shared smiles, kisses, touches, and silence. Love became something calm and deep. And every time Anna looked at Leo, she remembered that love can begin at first sight, break, and still return, stronger than before.